Aloha everybody, welcome to Maui Karen Ann, and thank you for watching and subscribing, and I really appreciate any comments that you leave for me. This painting I did about a year ago or so, and I guess I could call it the ugly duckling. So what I've done is I have painted a border around it like a frame in gray. Then I put masking tape on it. And now what I'm doing is I'm just sealing the masking tape next to the picture really well because I don't want anything to seep onto the gray frame. So next you'll see I'll have white base. I'll put my colors on and then I'll do a Dutch pour and we'll see the results. I'm really happy with this progress and I'm going to be doing more. Again, mahalo for watching, and I appreciate your subscribers and all of you people who make comments. Mahalo.
Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate, but don't worry. Be happy. Look at me, I'm happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Hey, I give you my phone number. When you worry, call me. I make you happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't got no gal to make you smile, but don't worry. Be happy. Cause when you worry, your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, don't do it. Be happy. Put a smile on your face. Don't bring everybody down like this. Don't worry. It will soon pass, whatever it is. Don't worry, be happy.